today, let me start with this. There's a member in chat who, when we say welcome to the family at True Trading Group, we genuinely mean it. And this person, this member that I'm going to bring on in a second, this is somebody who is not just, this person, is obviously a customer of ours, with our business, but this person's also, somebody I consider a friend. I can't say that for all other True Trading Group members. Some of y'all are just customers. You're all family, but some of you guys are just customers. This is somebody that we've had on the stream before. Just an amazing transformation with them as a trader. And I don't really know what else, know how to explain it, but just somebody that you can't help but be genuinely invested in that person's well-being or seeing how they're doing, right? Yeah. So you just a very genuine, very good guy. He sent me, and this guy out of the blue will send me things that'll absolutely just make me feel like I'm watching The Notebook, but if I was a 12-year-old girl. And he did it again today. He did it, I don't know, a year ago, whenever it was, maybe it's less than a year, and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if I get this right, because he's backstage, but he had let me know that he paid off his house. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Wrong guy. It was his taxes. That's what it was. I knew it was something big that he had to pay off, and he was able to do it. His house taxes. Yes. I know that, he's also become a full-time trader as well. That's something that he's been able to do since joining True Trading Group, and now this is his full-time. That I know for sure, right? Thumbs up? Yeah, that I know for sure. Is his full-time profession now. And today he sent me something, and it's never just I paid off my house taxes, or I did this, or I did that, or I became a full-time trader. It's always I paid off my house taxes. It was something I never thought we'd be able to do. And now my family has their home, just this whole thing. And I'm it's a lot.
He chokes you up a lot.
He does. And you wouldn't think that because he's kind of a big dude in real life, So you think he'd be a little bit more but he does. And he sent me something today. And I, during the day, it's easy to get lost in things, right? The past 2 weeks in True Trading Group has been really hectic. We launched 2 new workshops. There's been a lot of sales going on inside of True Trading Group for these workshops. It's been a lot of huge trades. Everything's going 100 miles an hour. Normally, there's not this much stuff. There aren't this many, workshops at once. So there isn't this. It's not normal to have, 11 triple digit gainers. That's not normal. Don't sign up and expect that.
It's not normal. It's not
so it's not. The past 2 weeks have been so go. And he sent me something today, and damn, dude, it really...
One of the coolest things I've ever seen.
It is definitely one of the coolest things I've ever seen. And I'm going to share it with you guys, then I'm going to bring them on, all right? What I'd like to also remind people is here, let me just do it. All right, I did curse. Greg sent me a message and he said, my 7-year-old Pierce had a class project about what they want to do when they grow up. They did drawings about it and took a picture. It all got published in a hardcover book for the class. We bought one for my son, not knowing what he wrote in it. Keep in mind that this is his first grader's interpretation. But I thought you would get a kick out of it, seeing that TTG has changed the course of a child's life. This is what this amazing kid wrote. When I grow up, I want to be a day trader. I will wear a t-shirt. I will drive a sports car. I will live in an apartment. I will be able to invest in stocks. It will be fun because I can get money and work on my computer at home.
So incredible that a first grader even knows what stocks are.
Yeah.
And what trading is, and the word invest. I'm just so, I'd be happy if a 6th grader wrote this.
I'm just so happy because other than the apartment, he literally wants to grow up to be me. All I do is wear shorts and a t-shirt. I drive sports cars. I make money from my computer while working at home. No, I'm joking. And then he told me that he had to draw pictures on it. And this is a picture. His name is Pierce. He's 7 years old. And look at the pictures of the charts on the back, right?
I love it. Oh my God, I love it so much. Yeah, the little trades. Look at the desk chair.
You see that?
The charts. Yeah. Oh, so awesome.
And then I responded with holy F word. And then he goes, look at the charts in the drawing. And then I said, I'm crying now because I was. And he goes, I've been crying since I got off late last night. So, this is what Greg does out of the blue.
Greg just just puts tears in our eyes.
In the middle of the day.
Yeah.
But I wanted to bring them on. I wanted to bring Greg on for a second and talk to you guys. And he's got a special guest with him. And let's give a big welcome to Greg and Pierce. What's up, guys?
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I love it so much. Pierce, what's up, big guy?
Say hi.
Hi.
I am so happy that you have such an interest in your father's work and in the stock market and investing and trading. I always say you're never too young to get started. And you are really putting that statement to the test, my friend.
Absolutely. I mean, Greg, what did you do before you traded?
I was a full-time firefighter.
Got it. So you basically put your life at risk consistently.
Yeah. Yeah. And in January of last year, I caught COVID. In January of 2022, I caught COVID and my lungs collapsed. Mm-hmm. And I spent the better part of a year on oxygen.
And because you are now a full-time trader, you're able to do a lot of things that that maybe you didn't think would be able to be done before without being a firefighter.
Yeah, I would go on shift, and especially during COVID, I could be gone from 1 day at a time to 2 weeks straight, depending on if we had enough people or not, based on who was sick.
Wow.
And I could, the longest stretch that I remember was, I think I had 1 or 2 days off in like 2 weeks, and those are 24-hour shifts. So,
oh, wow.
At that point in time, he had just started kindergarten. I never in a million years thought that I would be able to do something as simple as drop him off at school every day or pick him up every day. I would get pictures and video chat with my wife and kids. I miss stuff at home sometimes, and now I'm home all the time. I'm here.
Wow, man.
So.
And yeah, somebody's asking, is Greg full-time now? Yeah, he is.
Yes, I am a full-time trader. Basically full-time trader as of January 1st this year. So I guess January 3rd.
Yeah, right there. Wow, man. I am, Greg, I'm just I'm so happy for you, man.
Yeah, I mean, go ahead. I'm so sorry.
No, this guy right here, from the moment I got started with TTG, he was watching some of the courses and he was picking out things. He more or less on his own figured out bull flags and bear flags. His pattern recognition is off the charts.
Wow.
Off the charts. Yeah. So
wow.
he's spent a fair number of time looking at my charts.
Wow. Pierce, that's amazing, buddy. That is so amazing.
There was one night that we saw. Pierce, what's your favorite car in the world?
McLarens and Lambos.
McLarens and Lambos.
Yes.
He saw a picture of somebody's McLaren and realized that learning to day trade is pretty much just writing your own ticket in life.
That's right.
So yeah, he developed a real interest, very specifically based on YouTube guys. He watches the YouTube streams all the time.
Wow.
All the time.
I'm so sorry for that.
Because there's a couple of streams where you probably shouldn't be watching it.
He knows. He's a good kid. He's a very, very good kid.
Yep.
Well, I'm going to do something, and we're going to do something that we have never done before. I want to know right now, how many lifetime members do we have in chat right now? Type the number 1 if you're a lifetime True Trading Group member.
1.
Yeah.
1. These are all lifetime members of True Trading Group, folks. That's amazing.
I'm going to do something that I haven't done. Mike and I talked about it. And Pierce, we spoke to your dad about it beforehand. We got his permission. Okay. So what we are going to do is this. I don't give out free lifetime memberships, but I'm going to speak for every True Trading Group lifetime member in here when I say that I don't think they're going to mind that I do make an exception. So Pierce, if you'd like, and we already spoke to your dad, he said it was okay. We'd very much like for you to be a lifetime member of True Trading Group.
That's what I want to be.
That is awesome.
Dude, they just made you a member.
Welcome to the
So
family. Welcome to the
what
family.
we're gonna
Pierce.
do is, Pierce, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna give you, we're gonna give it to your dad. We're gonna give him the login credentials and everything for you, and you'll have your own account. And obviously, we're not telling a 7-year-old to open a trading account and trade. What we are saying is that you can use the simulator under your very own account and use the simulator and practice. And that's what it is. So, Joe, cue it up. We got to welcome Pierce. We got to welcome Pierce.
Everybody welcome Pierce.
Everyone welcome Pierce to the
family.
TradingView, man.
Welcome, Pierce, buddy. Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very, very welcome, brother.
You all right, dude?
Yeah, I'm just super excited.
No, he's getting a little weepy.
Oh,
Dude, it is our pleasure.
This is
And
so
I
beautiful.
will, and then as soon as we're done with this live stream, buddy, I'll send your dad all the login info and he can set you up.
Thank
You're not a FINRA licensed financial advisor, are you?
you.
All right, cool. Then it's fine. It won't be a problem.
This is so incredible.
Dude.
This is so incredible.
You're going to be a full-time member of True Trading Group, a lifetime member.
So now you and your dad can essentially do this together.
Yeah, you can practice with me. Interestingly enough, he's the one who got my TTG laptop.
That's
Oh,
awesome.
nice. Awesome. That's
So
gonna be
he got my TTG
gonna be
laptop, which means you get to start using your laptop.
incredible, man.
Oh, yes, he has to show off this. This is probably the most thoughtful gift I have ever received. This is my computer mouse.
That is really cool.
Oh, that's really
It's a
cool.
Porsche, and he got it to me for got it for me for Christmas this year.
That
That
is
is
so
so
cool.
awesome.
This past year,
That is so cool, man.
and
Wow.
I use it every day. Legitimately, I use it.
Thank you so much for being a part of this and for, putting in the work that you do, because look, True Trading Group, we provide a good platform. We provide a great platform. We provide everything that we say we're going to and more. But if you don't put in the effort, if you don't use it, then it doesn't matter, and Greg is somebody that he has done whatever he has needed to do to make this work, and he's made it work for himself. And what a gift that you can share that with your family and so on and so forth. So Pierce, we're lucky to have you, brother. Don't be afraid to call Mike out if you see him make a bad trade, and don't be afraid to alert your own if you'd like. You guys are awesome. Greg, thank you so much, dude.
Greg, yeah, man.
All right, and Pierce, we'll see you.
Pierce is asking. Pierce wants to know when his first one-on-one is.
Oh,
That's so awesome. So incredible.
Dude.
Greg, I'm so happy, man. You and your whole family, bro. I'm just so happy for you guys. And Pierce, you are one heck of a young man, and looking forward to trading with you in the years to come.
We got to pick out a username for you. But yeah, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make this all about him because he's the one that did this on his own. Like I mean, you saw in the chat, I had no idea that he had written this. Up until I saw this, he had always said that he wanted to be a firefighter, and he had always wanted to be able to get things like McLarens and everything like that. And I told him, I said, the easiest way to get that is to start investing. And so he has been saving and setting aside the little bit of money that he gets to open a bank account, to open a trading account.
Wow.
An investment account. He started saving, and now it looks like we might go ahead and at least start with the long-term investing. I don't know quite about trading yet at 7 years old, but
I wouldn't start with scalping yet. And we'll get
no, definitely not. Although if anybody could teach him, I'm sure it would be Gio.
Yeah.
But I am absolutely blown away, and this is incredibly kind. He's literally shaking sitting with me, like he's bright red. I can't even. I don't have the words to describe
and it's
what you guys have done for my family. And yeah, I mean, across the way, y'all have treated me like family. At the Miami meetup, I was the first person. I think I was the first person to arrive.
You were
At 5 a.m. and Mike literally grabs me and just throws his arms around me. Adam turns around and realizes there's somebody 6.5 feet tall standing right behind him, and he jumped back a little bit. Wasn't expecting it.
Oh man, so incredible.
But it's not even remotely close to an overstatement that you treat people like family. And I mean, y'all have done that today again with my son, and I thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
No, it's our pleasure, buddy.
You're very welcome.
We're counting on you. We're gonna need more mods soon. We've been growing a lot, so we're.
a day trader just like everybody else.
Aw.
Yeah, I love it. So awesome.
My kids used to be cute when they were 7. Buddy, we're honored to have you here, man. Honored.
Very exciting.
He's,
Very exciting.
he's glowing. Oh,
I love it, man. It's so awesome. It's such a great, such a good. It's been such a good day. It's been such a good week.
Great week.
It has. It's been a great week. I mean, couldn't think of a better way to finish out the week.
Was this 11 or 12 100% plus games?
You know, honestly,
11?
Greg, I think it's 11. I honestly have started to lose count at this point. I think it's 11, though. I think it's 11. Yeah, man. I'm happy. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for your family. You have one impressive young man there for a son. And Pierce, we're happy to have you as part of the TTG family. You're TTG for life now. And, you know, I'll have a couple more gray hairs by the time you're in the trenches with us trading, but I can't wait until the day that happens.
Agreed. All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Awesome, man.
You're all right, dude. All right. Say thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, buddy.
You're
Thank
very
you, guys.
welcome,
Thank
buddy.
you.
Take care, guys.
Bye.
Enjoy your weekend.
Bye.
Bye. Dude, I don't even how am I supposed to talk about the market right now? I can't. I'm just speechless.